that's the best dishwasher ever. Oh, let me see this. There's Austin's dishwasher. Just pan out there. Getting it cleaned off. I like it, man. Okay, so now what kind of boat is this again, Telly?
This is a Voyager 30 Primrose. Came here from UK, England. This is my deck. That's my old shit anchor, in case I drag.
Yeah, I have a spare one on the front. Looks a lot like that too. Is yours aluminum?
No,
That's a steel one?
it's a steel one. It's rusted out. But it'll work.
Sweet.
Alright, my name's Captain Austin. This is my boat. So I have my couch right here. I have a sea cloth right here. It'll come up so where you're at sea, you never fall out. Got one right here as well. You never fall out. My table, got me a little table. It extends out on both sides, so it's really nice for dinners. My lighting situation in here is not great, but got little puck lights.
Yeah.
Got me a little gimbaled stove. And then if you come take a look in here, you take a little step up, and then you take a step down. You got my head right here. Finally hooked up my shower.
Oh yeah, well, you set up and you built your own compost system.
Yeah, I built my own composting system right here. So if you come, here, I'll unlock it. So I'm really short, so whenever I go to take poops,
That's your step.
so whenever I go to take poops, I do like this right here.
Right.
And I got me a little step.
Oh yeah, now this is the new, so you can shower inside. Oh, you are.
Yeah.
This is first class. We're still showering outside like
Got my
hillbilly
shower head.
heathens. Nice.
Shower completely inside.
That's
My
awesome.
bulkheads have this lamination right here. And it's a waterproof lamination.
Oh yeah.
So it's built for a shower, 100% non-rotten proof. And then you got my V-berth right here. This is the captain's quarters.
Oh, well, let's see. What a sailor is reading. Bernard Morticia, The Long Way. Good choice.
That's the best choice.
That is the best choice. And look at this. Looking out at the stars every night.
Every night.
Yeah.
This is my way of transportation. So I have a Meepo V3 longboard. It'll go 30 miles per hour, but it starts to get really shaky around 24, and it takes a lot of guts to go past 24. But it'll go 30 miles as well. So this thing's almost as good as a car. But if the concrete's bad, you are very bad off. I kind of took a slam today, and I landed in the concrete, so it's not great sometimes, but it's awesome majority.
Right now we're visiting the Beaufort Arsenal. This is where the Beaufort Volunteer Army was housed and kept their munitions. Kind of interesting because they were originally there in like the 1760s. They were there to protect, of course, the British Crown, but they kind of flopped sides, and now we're part of this America thing. And then they were part of the American force, and then during the Civil War, they were like, we're part of the Confederate force again. And then they were disbanded after the Civil War. But still interesting that it's all still here. You know, there wasn't much in the way of fighting, and actually this was used more by Union troops to house their munitions than it was by the Confederate Army, which explains somewhat why it's in still pretty decent condition.
Honey, what are you making us?
Brioche French toast this morning and bacon.
It looks amazing.
Yes.
And our wonderful friend Austin came to join us for breakfast today. Woohoo!
Can't beat it at all. Oh, this is amazing.
Thank you, honey. This is how we cook on our boat.
I love these jeans. They're literally my favorite jeans to make my ass look so good. So I'm sewing them back together because they're absolutely falling apart. So when you got a favorite pair of jeans, sometimes you got to get your needle and thread out, sew them back together again.
All right, it's laundry day, and we are going to try and put a month's load of dirty laundry.
You know what this is? A boatload.
A boatload. And balance it on a bicycle for a little over a mile to the laundromat. Exciting times. Are you excited, honey?
That's a word we could
Let me see
use.
your excited face. Oh, that's not exciting.
Yeah, that's as excited as I can get about laundry day. It's laundry day. Getting everything folded up out of the dryer. Yay, clean clothes.
All right, we are riding our bike and doing laundry, honey. How was laundry?
A real adventure. A lot of people don't even get to have an adventure when they do their laundry. But we
We get one every time. It wasn't that bad. The laundromat was beautiful, clean.
Super courteous people there. You know, it's amazing how smiles and telling them how nice their place is, how much goodwill that brings. It's so easy and so cheap.
Yeah. This is how we roll when it's drive-through only.
You know what you want? Not knowing what it was.
Lunchtime on the boat.
Give you up this time, darling, just give
Salads because we've had ice cream for dinner for 3 days straight. And my adorable hubby singing. Baby, I dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the porch, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight. You just get in there. Yeah, reach down there. That scared me. He tried to bite me.
He almost got you.
This one's mean.
Oh, he's vicious. He Sir Crabs a lot. He doesn't mess around. He don't play no games. And he's got fairly big claws. He could hurt. He
Tried to snap at me.
Howie. Crabs from South Carolina. Ah! He's coming for you! Get her! Get her! Get her! Alright, bud, sorry. Get in there. Get in there. Come on.